Are you looking for the best welding helmet? In this video, we'll break down the top welding helmets available, whilst comparing them for price versus performance. Before we get started with our video detailing the best welding helmets on the market, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the Lincoln Electric Viking 3350. Arguably the best welding helmet today, it combines superior construction and top-of-the-notch functionality in a reasonable package. It has a viewing area of 3.74 by 3.34 inches, which is one of the biggest on the market. With such a wide field of vision, this helmet will let you work even in tight spots. Moreover, it has an optical rating of 1:1:1:1, meaning it gets the best marks for consistency of viewing angles, uniformity of shade, degree of clarity, and extent of distortion. It has a quick switching time that is designed to minimize eye strain. It also has controls for internal shade, sensitivity, and delay. With 4 arc sensors, the shade of this helmet won't flicker in case of obstructions. It has solar power with battery assist, aimed at prolonging the lifespan of the battery and lowering the chances of battery drain. It is backed by a 3-year warranty. The only chink in the armor, so to speak, of this helmet is its size. With a weight of 3.2 pounds or about 54 ounces, this is not the lightest helmet around, but its functionalities and build quality more than make up for it. At number 2, we have the Antra AH6-260-0000. The Antra AH6-260-0000 helmet can hold its own against other more expensive welding helmets. Sure, it may not have a view size as wide as the Lincoln Electric Viking, but it does have other features that make it a good buy, especially for those on a budget. The helmet is made from strong and durable polyamide nylon, which enables it to resist wear and tear. It has a view size of 3.86 by 1.73 inches, which is pretty good for any budget-friendly helmet. In terms of optical clarity, it gets a rating of 1:2 to 1:2. It has 4 arc sensors and runs off solar power with battery assist. Plus, it's lightweight at 16 ounces. Simply put, you won't feel like you are wearing it at all. This helmet is compatible with a magnifying lens, size 2 by 4 inches, which can come in handy when you need to carry out a job requiring attention to detail. It has a fast switching speed of 0.00004 seconds. At number 3, we have the Safety BH3 W70. This is another highly rated welding helmet that's affordable and built like a tank. It has a high optical rating too, and comes with a 5-year warranty, which puts it in a class of its own. It has an auto darkening feature powered by a solar cell that completely eliminates the need for battery changes. This said feature is specific to wavelengths, meaning it will only go dark for a welding arc, and not for other light sources like a light bulb. There are 3 headgear adjustments in this helmet, making it well suited for all kinds of welding. It is comfortable to use too, because the hood and headbands are adjustable. Weighing less than 3 pounds, it is made from lightweight and high-density plastic, designed to protect its users from weld sparks and plasters. The curved front cover plate is aerodynamic and offers heat protection too. At number 4, we have the Safety SmarTIGer W40. This helmet provides a high level of protection, a wide viewing area, and digital controls, which makes it simpler and easier to use. It weighs just 1 pound, so it is lightweight and comfortable to use. It has an advanced auto-darkening lens with variable shades of 9 to 13. 4 auto-dimming sensors are present and work properly with delay and sensitivity adjustments. It should be noted that all controls are digital, and so the helmet is easy to use. This is a versatile welding helmet that lets you choose from grind and welding modes. At number 3, we have the Instapark ADF Series GX500S. This is a good option if you are on a budget, but do not want to sacrifice comfort and safety. It is a good welding helmet despite its low price, and it is suitable for both beginner and experienced welders. It has a variable shade lens, which is adjustable from 9 to 13, with a resting shade of 4. It has a fast switching time of 0.0004 seconds. While it has a relatively small viewing area of 9.63 by 1.65 inches, it should still be good enough for most welding jobs. It has an auto darkening function, with its dual arc sensors able to activate the switch from light to dark. While most top-rated welding helmets have 4 sensors, this entry-level item has only 2. The welding helmet has an optical rating of 1:2 to 1:3, which means it can deliver enhanced clarity and limit the risk of eye fatigue. In short, this is a value-for-money welding helmet that you should consider if you are on a limited budget. At number 6, we have the ARCPRO 2704 Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. This is a welding helmet that's best suited for hobbyists. It has a relatively large viewing space of 3.7 by 2.07 inches. This makes it easy to use, especially in awkward spaces. Plus, the padded headband is 2-way and adjustable for a more comfy fit. It has a grind mode, meaning it automatically adjusts for grinding. As the name suggests, it automatically darkens when subjected to sparks. It can also readjust the shade in case of excessive arc ray production, which is harmful to the human eye. The helmet adjusts its shade between DIN 9 and DIN 13. It's also a welding helmet that's suited for oxy-fuel burning, as the fumes and flickering will not get into your head when you are using the ARCPRO 2704 helmet. It can also be used for stick welding, and is thus ideal for use by beginners. And for our final pick at number 7, we have the 3M SPEEDGLAS Welding Helmet 9100. This exceptional welding helmet protects users from debris and harmful radiation. It has a large viewing area, and a flip-up design for convenient and easy removal. It weighs a mere 2 pounds, with a view area of 2.1 inches high by 4.2 inches wide, making it one of the best welding helmets in terms of viewing area. The enhanced field of view should give you enough field of vision to work on your projects with minimal obstruction. Designed for convenience, this welding helmet can have its auto-darkening filter positioned down for welding and flipped up for other tasks. The lens is made of polycarbonate nylon and features dark shades 5, 8, 9, and 11 through 13. There is also a light shade of 3. When an arc is struck, 3 sensors in the lens activate the auto-darkening filter, which can minimize the need for flipping the helmet in between torch placements. The lens can switch from light to dark shade in 1/10,000th of a second. It's ideal for use in various welding applications, such as stick, MIG, and TIG. So that sums up our top welding helmets of 2019. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.